Just come to take a bit of video in the house. This week they did the doors and the electrical work. So let's just take a walk through. I've just started the passageway, the front door obviously, into our bedroom. And then as we walk through here, this is going to be the ensuite bathroom. And the walk-in robe is over there. The door I've just walked in. And then this is looking around. That's where the TV is going on the wall. I've just put some extra supporting brackets on the wall here. These extra thick pieces, so that's where the TV bracket will mount onto the wall. So I know where those are, come to measure up. And these are the windows that have just gone in. All the junk outside still. Bricks are hopefully going in this week. They've still got to just do the plumbing. And that goes around to the other side. And there's the window above the bed where the headboard will go, so it's not blocking the window. And here we go, as you come in the front door, this is the garage over here. Double garage with the door going to the backyard there on the right hand side. And if I swing around, that's looking outside now onto the building site at the moment. So from the front door, I'm stood at the front door. This is looking down the passageway. So as I come down the passage, we've got a slight kink here in the passage so that we don't have this dead straight passage. From here we come into the laundry. This is the laundry room over here with the sliding door going out next door. You can just see that they started building next door. This first bedroom we come to here down the passage. On the right hand side is Keegan's room. So if I walk into his room, that's where his cupboards are going to go over there. And his TV is going on the wall here. Again, the plugs are up high. The mounting brackets for the television are mounted on the wall. And this is Keegan's room. It's a nice size. The height of the ceilings in here are 2550 throughout the house. So just opposite Keegan's room, we've got another bedroom over here. This bedroom I'll use for my office. It's a slightly smaller bedroom. The walk-in robes will be over there. On the floor, all these markings on the floor is where the lights are going to be going above in the ceilings. Stuff like that. There's the network cables going into the office and things like that. So this is going to be my office, but it doubles up obviously as a spare bedroom. Then you come through here and this will be the passage. The linen cupboard in the passage. Through here and then through into the spare bathroom or Keegan's bathroom. Once again, then you've got the frosted windows there. That's the frame for the bath going in there. Again, the lighting marks are all there. Around. Plug on the wall. So this is where the plug will go in the bathroom. For like a shaver or whatever the case is. We've got the toilet going in over there. And then the sink unit will be in here, right over there. That's the overflow for the bath on the floor, and then the shower will be in this little piece over here, coming out, extending towards the door. Then if I turn around in this bathroom and walk straight out to the other side, here is the guest bedroom again. This is Nan and Granddad's bedroom. This is exactly the same as Keegan's. It's basically a mirror image of Keeg's. So you can see the cupboards here and the cupboards in Keegan's are back to back with each other. And there's the window looking out onto the building site. You can see how close we are to the other neighbours when you look at it like this. There's literally probably 3 meters between us and the neighbour. No, a little bit more. I think it's about 4. Something like that. Then we walk around here. This next little room here is the media room. or Keegan's playroom. So in this room here, again, we're going to be putting a television on the wall here, hence this wooden set of brackets on the wall here. All the cables for the speakers, power, TV aerials are all coming down the bottom there. And then I've run some additional cables in the last couple of days through the walls into these sort of cavities here. The yellow cable is the speaker cable. So there's that would be the front right, front left over here, and they've got the rear left on there, and the rear right speaker will be going in here. And then up on the top here I've got some additional cables. That is for the 7.1 surround system. If at some stage we decide to put it in, the cables are all there. Then we come through here into the dining room area. These little pink dots on the floor are just to measure out the size of a dining room table. So we've got an idea of where it'll go and stuff like that. This is the window outside, which actually goes onto the neighbour's back garden. So that's really cool. We come through here, let it expose again. Another TV on the wall going up over here. So some more wooden plates put on the wall over here. Slightly different setup here because I can't get the front plates on the wall. Because of the trunking in the wall, it's in the way. Sliding doors that still have to go in. Window going out the back of the house. So as I come to the window, the bricks are still here. There's the pool. Bricks still piled up everywhere. Down, and that's what we're going to have as a view. And from here, so this is where the sliding doors are going to go. You can see there's no pillar in the middle here. So the sliding doors will just open up. I'm stood in the lounge at the moment, looking at what will be the kitchen. So we'll look out of this window here, out of the kitchen here. There's going to be the plug points on the side of the kitchen. Over there. Come around, see if it exposes a bit. That's better. This is where the corner pantry is going to be. Back of the media room where all the plugs and the cables are. Fridge is going to go on the side here, hence this plug right up high is for the fridge, and all these other plugs along here are for the countertops. Plugs everywhere. And there we go, that's the lounge and dining room. I'm just going to stand right in the corner of the kitchen, and that gives you an idea of the size. Lounge and dining room. And again, I've just been here, that's what all the tools are for. I've just been here putting in all the supports for the television and making the speaker box sizes exactly the same. Going out, there's the car, and there we go. Let's just walk out here and we go down to the bottom here. Have a look at the pool. So here we go. That's what the pool looks like at the moment. It's full of water. It's covered over just to keep all the big chunks of building material out of the pool. So this pool fence is coming down in a short while. And then we've got to, I think it looks like we may have to put like a little retaining wall across here, because the level of the pool is quite different to the rest of the garden. And here's our overgrown garden at the moment. The two posts on top of the fence here, you can see with the blue sort of tape hanging off. That's the one end of our garden, right down to the other end where you can see the other blue post there, down in the garden. And then walk down to the bottom. It's a real hot day today. We've got a heat wave happening here. So it's, whoops, there's the other side of the garden. So this is where our fence will eventually come to. And then if I turn around and look back up the garden, there's our house there. This is the double story on the left that they've just started building as well.